Welcome to day 5 of the 30-day yoga challenge. Today we will build strength with a full body yoga flow. To begin this practice, find a comfortable cross-legged seat. Sit up tall, release your hands to the knees. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose. One more inhale and exhale. Round the back, lower your chin to the chest, pull your navel into the spine. Inhale, lift your heart, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, round the back again. Inhale, pull your chest up, shoulders back. Exhale, round, seated cat and cow. Inhale to arch the back. Exhale, round. One more inhale. And exhale. From here, circle the upper body to the left, over your legs and hips. Just a few intuitive upper body circles. Move at your own pace, as fast or as slow as you like. Change direction, a few circles to the other side, really getting into the hips and lower back. Come back to center, make fists with your hands and roll your wrists out, around 5 times in one direction, then 5 times in the other. Make your way to downward facing dog. Position your hands around shoulder width apart, feet hip width apart. Press the floor away, lift your sit bones high to the sky. Keep your heels lifted for now. With your next inhale, roll forward into high plank, shoulders above the wrists. Exhale, press back into downward dog. Press your heels down towards the floor. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, back to downward dog. 3 more like this. Move with your breath. Inhale, shift weight into your hands. And exhale, back, heels down towards the floor. One more round, inhale into plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Then roll forward again and lower down to your belly in one line or lower the knees first, lower down with control. Point your feet. Keep your elbows pointing back. With inhale, lift your upper body, hands and legs from the floor. Exhale, release everything down. Inhale, lift. Engage the back of the body. Exhale, release. 3 more. Inhale, lift a little bit higher. Exhale, release. Inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale to lift as high as you can. And exhale, release. Press yourself up into tabletop position. Straighten your left leg back, right arm forward. Find the balance. Inhale here. Exhale, bring your elbow to the knee, round the back. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, round. One more inhale and exhale. Release only your right hand down, tuck your right toes under and lift the knee from the floor into plank variation. Keep pulling your left knee into the chest as close as you can. One more breath. And step your left foot back into downward facing dog. Same on the other side. With inhale, roll forward into plank and exhale, lower down to the belly your way. Point your feet for 5 cobra lifts. With inhale, lift your upper body, hands and legs. With exhale, release. Keep going at your own pace. Really engage in the back of the body as you lift. Elbows stay close to the ribs, pointing back. Last time, inhale. Exhale, release. And press yourself up into tabletop position. Straighten your right leg back, left arm forward. Find balance first. Inhale. Exhale, pull your knee to the elbow. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, round the back. One more inhale. And exhale. Release your left hand down, tuck your left toes under, lift the knee from the floor and hold here. Press the floor away, pull your right knee into the chest. Take one more inhale. And exhale, step back to downward facing dog. Inhale to prepare, look forward. And exhale, step or walk your feet to the top of the mat. Bring your feet together for chair pose. Bend the knees, sit your hips low. Keep your hands together at your heart center or straighten your arms up alongside the ears. Take one more full breath in chair. And straighten the legs, release your arms down. Bring your hands together to your heart and step your left leg back into lunge. Keep your heel lifted. Find a stable position first. And then we will move here. Inhale in high lunge. Exhale, tap your left knee down to the floor. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, tap your knee down. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, tap your knee down. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Straighten your left leg. With inhale, sweep your arms up to the sky. Exhale, warrior 2. Ground your left heel down in line with the front heel. Extend your arms out in line with the shoulders and gaze forward over your front hand. One more breath in and out. Hands down to the mat. Step your feet back into downward facing dog. One breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Walk your feet forward, bring them together, sit your hips into chair pose. Hands stay together at your heart or arms extend up to the ceiling. One more breath here. And straighten the legs, mountain pose. Hands together to your heart. Step your right foot back and find your high lunge. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, tap your right knee down. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, tap the knee down. Keep going. Last time, tap your knee down. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, open into warrior two. Bring your heels in one line, back foot parallel to the short edge of the mat. Front knees pointing forward over your left toes. Take one more breath in and out. Bring your hands down to the mat and step back into downward facing dog. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale, roll forward into high plank. Exhale all the way down to the mat. Point your feet again. Straighten the arms back alongside the body with palms facing down, thumbs pointing out. With your next inhale, lift everything you can from the mat. Upper body, arms, legs. Keep reaching back with your fingertips. Trying to come up a little higher with each inhale. The back of the body really engaged. One more breath in. And out, release. Place your hands underneath your shoulders. Press yourself up into downward facing dog one more time. One breath in. Full breath out. Walk your feet forward, cross your shins and sit down into cross-legged position. Flex your feet here, sit up tall. Find a bit more length in the spine as you inhale. With exhale, walk your hands forward, bending over your legs. Relax your head, let it hang heavy, you can round the spine. And take a few breaths, softening the body here, relaxing all muscles. Come back up to seated. Switch the cross of the legs so that another shin is now in front. Keep the feet flexed. Lengthen the spine as you inhale and bend forward with exhale. A few more breaths here. Softening the whole body towards the mat. Lift your upper body into seated. And let's finish with one more breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, palms to your heart. And open the eyes. I hope you enjoyed this practice, even if some parts were a bit challenging. Tomorrow we will continue to work on strength and improving stability and balance. Have a great day and see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye!